2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this simplified version of Ain't No Sunshine starts off on the low E string on fret 5, which is an A note, and we're going to pluck it for 2 beats. 1, 2. We're then going to play the open E string for 1 beat, and fret 3 on the low E string for 1 beat. So you'll count it like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go back to fret 5 for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got to do that 2 times. So 2 times then will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from there, the next part we've got an E minor chord to a D minor chord. All right, now we're going to pick through this though, from the D string on the E minor. Okay, so I'm picking through the D, the G, the B, and the high E. And I'm counting it 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now if you look, I'm only picking from the D string, and I'm not hitting the low E or the A strings. So we can kind of change this chord a little bit. We can take the 3rd finger off, and we can just place the 2nd finger here, because like I said, we're not using the low E or the A strings. Okay, so from here, we can just try the D, G, B, and E, and we can count it 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Next chord is a D minor chord, but we only need this finger and this finger here, because all we're playing is the D, the G, and the B. We're not playing this note here, okay? Just those 3 notes, and we're going to count it 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay? So some people might find just playing these 2 notes with these 2 fingers a little tricky. So you can simplify this a little bit by taking 2nd finger off and placing 1st finger there. Similar to a D chord, right? But not quite, because we're not hitting that note there. We're just hitting the D, G, and the B. So we get 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So we can just go from this note here, for our E minor, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, to this one here, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so that will be 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then we go back to the first part, which was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which then takes us into the second half, which is going to be an A minor chord here. We're going to strum it once, and we're going to let it ring for 2 beats. So we're going to get 1, 2. Okay, from there, we're then going to take the note that the 2nd finger is already on in the A minor chord. We're going to play that once for 1 beat. Then we're going to play the G string underneath for 1 beat underneath that. So that will give us 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go back to the A minor chord for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that again, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got to do that 2 times, which will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time when we go to the E minor, we're going to go to it as a full chord, because we're now just going to strum it once for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to the D minor and strum it once for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from the E minor we'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and E minor, 2, 3, 4. And then we just go back to the A minor here, where we play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like we did previously. And that there, guys, pretty much is how to play a cool, simplified version of Ain't No Sunshine. So give that a go, have fun, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers, bye-bye.